There's that doorway in my mind again. East Village rising with the sun. You and me, who were we way back then? You so sad and me so young. And I don't know, but I can guess. There are 20 million reasons to say yes. And I hope hard, and I hope long. There are 20 million reasons to hold on. Hold on. And there's that mountain in my mind again. Sacred blood spilling out across the sky. And we'd never seen land so red, never known a time so wide. And you kissed me hard and kissed me long. And for the first time, baby, I belong to something bigger, better, stronger, greater. There's that panic in my mind again. Boston falling like a shroud. And I shake and you cry and we stand. And all our friends and family gather round. And we drink the wine and break the glass. And tomorrow grabs a shattered past. And it is bigger, better, stronger, greater. There are times that I live inside my head. And there are times that I fear my heart is dead. And you've always been the artist more than I. A fragile soul in a hurricane's eye. And I'm sorry, baby, the world is hard, yeah, but I will try to love you harder. Bigger, better, stronger, greater. There you go, running round my mind again. I am dizzy, I am broken, I am spent. You are hands, you are love, and you are blessed. I am I, you are you, and we are yes. And I don't know, but I can guess. There are 20 million reasons to say yes. And I hope hard, and I hope long. There are 20 million